Yo, what up? It's your boy Naphtaly, Naph, rapper, hashtag Black Essence, and this is Naphtaly's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make mandazis, and my ingredients are: this is flour, this is cooking oil, lemon, sugar, gold crown milk, baking powder, and this is where I'll pound the dough, the mandazis, rolling pin for rolling, knife for cutting. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, I'm gonna use the flour. I'm gonna pour only half of it inside the basin, which I'm doing right now. Just pour half of it, as you can see. Then I add the sugar. Just add a little bit of sugar, not a lot. Now here I'll use the lemon and grind only the shading part, so I'll wash it first. Then I'll grind it into the paste. Anyways guys, so I'm going to use the shredded lemon grind, and today I used a simple tool just like a knife because it grinds it perfectly, unlike the grinder or the grater as you can call it. I'm doing this so that the mandazis have this taste of a lemon taste. As you can see, just using simple tools, but you have to be careful, you can cut yourself. So you gently mix the dough, just mix it, get in all that, mix it perfectly well. Of course I washed my hands. Just make sure you can't see the lemon grinds. Okay, from this phase, I'm gonna use hot water, just a little. Just make sure, just a little. Then you use the gold crown so that it can have that milky taste. Not a lot, that's enough. Now you mix gently. Just make sure they mix together perfectly well, like this. Okay, guys, remember how I taught you how to make the dough in the previous video? You can go and watch it for those who have not watched it. I was cooking chapatis, tasty chapatis. So you just use that formula. Add more water. The formula never changes. The only difference is in this mandazi dough I've added milk and lemon, but you can add whatever you want, just the way I like lemon. As you can see, the paste has started taking shape. At this point you add more flour, but you just make sure the paste is still hot or warm, as people might presume. Okay guys, you continue adding flour just as I showed you before in the previous video, until it takes your form. I'll resume in the next step. Let's get it. Here's the end product, as you can see. Well rounded. I just cooked a small dozen because I can't cook the whole packet. I won't eat all of it obviously. So you'll use a hot cloth to cover it for 30 minutes to allow infiltration. This is the hot cloth, just cover and leave it for 30. Anyways guys, let's chill for 30 minutes, then we'll get back to it. Anyways guys, next to the next structure, let me now uncover my dough. As you can see, it has risen. It was not at this level. As you can remember, it was somehow cylindrical. Right now it's risen. So we go to the next phase. I'm gonna roll it and I start cooking. Let's get to it. Anyway, so guys, let's take first of all the pan. I'm using this small pan because, you know, put it on the gas, balance it. Then in oil, I pour it. Just pour enough, not too much. That's enough. Then make sure you lit the gas. Moderate heat, don't put too much heat. Anyways guys, let's start rolling. By then the oil will have become warm or hot so that we don't waste time. So I'm gonna clear this place first. Let me try and clear this place. Remove this blend. Guys, so let me take the flour and start rolling my rolling pin. I'll just use this small segment because my kitchen does not allow me. Okay guys, you can refer to the previous video of how I can roll cylindrical. I've finished rolling it. As you can see, it's circular. Now this is the point where you cut it into your shapes, how you like it. So for me, I like triangular and square. That's the shapes that most people use. This is the difference between chapatis and mandazis. For this one, you roll one thick one so that your mandazis don't appear really thin and crunchy. So this is how you cut them. You just cut them in any shape you like. It's not a must to become a perfect square or a perfect triangular. But for me, I like triangles. So you just arrange them, creating space so that they can cut this other one. So guys, unlike chapatis, you don't have to follow the same order or the first order that I used in chapatis. You can just place them in heat. As I'm finished rolling like this, now next. So after this, the next step is to test whether the oil is worthy so that I can know if I can keep or I don't. So let's test. As you can see, there is a result. Now you go take some, don't take a lot, just take some and put them, we see. That's enough. Now we wait for them to rise. Hopefully they rise. Those are Kenyan mandazis, as you can see them in progress. As you can see, this is the work of the baking powder. If you've not bought baking powder, they won't inflate as they have been fitting. Unless you use the self-raising flour, of which is optional. It's to your liking. Okay, this is where you check. They have to turn golden crispy brown. If not, a little bit of water. So you just turn them for some time, but they have to turn golden crispy brown. So just keep turning. I do this to prevent burning. So at this point, to flip them again, they have to turn golden brown. Make sure you don't burn them. As you can see, they've already started. This is the kind of brown I want. And I like this crunchy layer. So guys, just do this for the entire process. Keep turning. Then in the end, I'll show you the result. So let's fast forward to it. So here we are on the last two. Woo! Oh, just look at them looking like a snack. Oh, and guys, remember the thickness of the mandazis. They should not be so thick or too thin, okay? Just look at the glare. Waiting to be cooked. Can even taste them. Woo! Okay, so let's deep fry them and close up our work. It has taken long, but we're finally there, guys. We're finally there. So here we go. The work of art. Can you hear them? The angels? Sensational. Anyway, so guys, I'm done. As you can see, they look brown and crispy. This was what I was talking about. Then you serve with hot milk cocoa. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Delicioso. I can't even taste the long one inside. Cameraman, have some. How does it taste? Anyways, so guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put the links down below. Oh, sorry, the man is talking with my food. Anyways, guys, it's your boy Naphtaly, Naph, the rapper. Join me as I cook other delicious foodstuffs. So Naph signing out. Yo, what up? It's your boy Naphtaly, Naph, the rapper, hashtag Black Essence, and this is Naphtaly's Kitchen. Anyways, today I'm gonna teach y'all how to make mandazis. The ajab flour, fresh fry. I have milk with me here, Gold Crown. I have baking powder. I have no. I have sugar. Yo, what up? It's your boy Naphtaly, Naph the Black. Hey,